Been watching that gripping test series between Australia and India in India, and this must be the testiest of test conditions ever in test cricket. And the way the Indian spinners, Jadeja and Ashwin, use the conditions is like them cut to fit. And speaking of which, West Indies are currently languishing at the rubbish end of the spectrum after building our past dominance on aggressive and effective fast bowling. But unlike India, we have now lost our identity. So we still see the Indians setting wickets for them spinners, while in the West Indies, our pitches kill fast bowlers instead of build fast bowlers. In regional cricket, fast bowling has become redundant. It is spinners, or should we say slow bowlers, they reign supreme. And while these slow bowlers win us the odd test match or two in terms of propelling the West Indies back to anywhere near the top, they are not those guys. So again, compared to India, who are still setting pitches for them spinners, we can't set nothing because we have lost our fast bowling identity. The West Indies are now officially neither fish nor fowl in cricket.